So take a look at this school email. As you can see, this is the staff of this school. Look at all the professors. This guy, this look at the prof, look at the doctors, all the lecturers, all the staff of this school. Look at the name of the school, isut.edu.ng. And look at the name of this Mr. Ifeanyichukwu. Look at it, Innocent Ifeanyichukwu at isut.edu.ng. Bachisipra at isut.edu.ng. So look at the name. Your regular email should be your name at gmail.com, but a work email is your name at your workplace domain. So this is exactly how the work email is. If any of these persons is going to be your reference for any scholarship application or admissions application abroad, then definitely you want them to give you their work email. So when you send this work email, when you send one of these people as your reference, it is going to look more professional. So this is how work email looks. Now, when you come to some apps like Power BI, look at Power BI. If you want to register on Power BI, Power BI cannot allow you to register as an individual with your normal email at your name at gmail.com. So it must be a work email just like this one. So if I want to register on Power BI with this email, it is going to go through. But if I want to register with my own personal regular email, it is not going to go through. So you need a work email to access some platforms or apply for some scholarships. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. And to create your work email is very simple. Let's say you want to use a software like Power BI. Power BI will want you to use your work email. You can't even register. You can't create a workspace on Power BI without having a work email. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how to create a work email. I'm going to be showing you two different ways you can do it. So the first way will be by creating a work email account through your Google account. And then the second way is going to be by creating a work email through a domain. If you already have a website, your domain cPanel, from your cPanel. So the first way that we are going to be looking at is to create a work email from your Gmail account. So by just opening your Google Chrome, or even logging into your Gmail account, you already have access to this your Google account. So from this Google account, you just come to this place, click on this Google account. Then down here, you're going to see all the emails you already have in this account. You can have as many email accounts as possible. So it's going to show you all the email accounts you currently have access to here. And it's going to come down here. You see another account. So you can add another account. So click on add another account, and then it's going to bring us right here where you're going to either add an existing account that you already have or create a new one. So when you come down here and look at create a new account, if you click on it, it's going to give you three options to either create for your personal use. This is going to give you the regular Gmail account that you know. It's the normal your name at gmail.com. Then you want to create for your child. This is the same thing, that's your child name at gmail.com. Then this is work email. This is going to carry your work domain. If you already have a domain, it's going to carry your work domain. So you click on this one, then it brings you here where it says choose the email that is best for you. So the first one is professional email. So you can see it is a professional email. It means it's going to carry your name at your company name.com. And this is what you're going to get: a free 14 days monthly charge free. You're going to get up to 5 terabytes of storage. And this is what this one comes with. It's actually a paid plan on Google. The first 2 weeks is a free trial. You don't have to pay anything, you don't have to put in your card. Then the second one, this is just the normal regular one, and this is not the one we want. So you want to choose this very first one, try Google's workspace. Click on this try Google workspace. Then it's going to bring you here. This is where you're going to put your business name. So the first thing you put here is your business name, whatever your business is. Let's say my business is Criss, so I'm going to put Criss. Just put it like this, nothing else. Then here, if this is now where you create an account, depending on how many employees you have, because each employee you have is going to have this work email. Every employee you have, you're going to add them to this work email. But if you don't have any employees, just solely you can just choose this one, just you. So you're going to create just one. But if you have up to 2 to 9 employees, if you have up to 10 to 99 employees, if you have up to 100 to 299, if you have from 300 and above, you choose. So you may want to choose this one if your company is big and you're going to keep increasing and adding more staff. Then, but whichever one you choose, you can always upgrade at any time. All right, so we choose this one. Then make sure you choose your country of residence wherever you live. Then click on next. So here is about your contacts, your own personal contacts. So you're going to be the one that will manage, you'll be the admin for this particular account. You'll be the one to be adding people. So you may want to put your name. Maybe your name is Chris. My name is Chris. Then maybe your surname. Maybe your surname is Mike. Then you put your surname. Then you need to put your current email address. This is not the one you're creating, your regular normal email address. Click on next. So here you are, because it's a domain, it's a company account, so you should have a domain. You need to have, if you already have a domain, then you can link that your existing domain here. If you don't have a domain, you can create one for yourself. So here is a get a custom domain. If you don't have already, set up using your existing domain. For example, if you already have a website, I already have a website, maybe chrissmart.ng is my website. I can use this one and then click on continue to put that my domain name. All right, so if I just put that my chrissmart.ng, then I click on next. If I already have a domain, then it's going to try to link up that my domain. So you move on to the next one, click on next. So here you just need to set up your username, put in the password, and then agree to these terms, and that's all. You have your email running. So that's all. Let's assume we don't have a domain. Then if you don't have a domain already, like me, just click on this one, then click on continue. Then it says let's find a domain for you. So here you want to put the business name again. Maybe the business name is Chrismart. Then you click on search. So it's going to bring out different domain names for you. These are different suggestions: chrismart.com, chrismart.org.net, .info, whatever kind of business you do. So if you're a business, I can go for this one, chrismart.biz, chrismart.biz, because this is business. You can choose .co if you're a company, .org if you're an organization, .info if you are an information platform, then .net, .io, and all of those. So you choose whichever one you want to do, then you can see the price for it. This price is actually for 1 year. So when you pay the price, you can easily just become the owner of that domain. And once you pay this price, you can also host that domain with a hosting plan, and also create a full-blown website from it. All right. So but here we don't want to do this, but if you don't have a domain already, you can just from here create a new domain and then proceed. So I just want to go back to my own domain because I already have a domain. So I'll just proceed to linking it to my old domain, and then I click on next, put in these details, and then move to the next one. And that's all. That's all. You just verify and log in. Now, when you see username here, if you click on it, whatever name you put here, if my name is Chris, now this is it. This is going to become my email. It will be chris@chrismart.ng. Did you see that? It has carried my company name. So any employee that I employ in my company, I just come here and create another one for them. Maybe I employ Jude. I just come here and put Jude, and I've created my work email for Jude. So this is going to become jude@chrismart.com. All my staff are going to have this email because I'm going to add all of them. And this is how to create it. Once I put in the password and then I put in this, I click on here and I click on I agree, that it will be created, and that's all. I can now use it. So this is the first method of doing it. So the second method is by using, if you already have a website, you just log into your cPanel. Let me show you. Right, this is my dashboard. This is my WordPress dashboard, of course, for my website. Then this is my hosting plan. So it brings me to my cPanel. Then I'm going to scroll down here to email accounts. Once you click on email accounts, it's going to bring you to this place, all right, where you have email accounts. All the email that you're using, that you've created for this account, they are all going to be work email. And to create a new work email, just simply click on create. It's going to bring you to this page where you're going to create a new email account, and that is going to be a work email. Put the name you want to use. So I'm going to use Criss Mike. So this Criss Mike is going to be the name at chrismark.ng.com. So I've created a work email. Just come here and put the password that I want to use for that. So I just put a password, then I'm going to come down here and click on create. That work email has been created successfully, and you can see that here we have Criss Mike at chrismark.ng. So this is amazing, guys. We've created a work email. This work email can work anywhere. You can use it to create any account anywhere and all that. So you can connect this email to a device. Maybe you want to forward this email that you receive here to another email. You can just come here and click on connect device. It's going to bring you to this other page where you have the connection details. You're going to have the port number, you have the server and all of these things. This is your email account. You can just click on settings. So it's going to bring you here. Then you can scroll, come to account and import. You can see add email. So you can actually add more emails. If you click on add email, you're going to see how to use that port number. You see? So we can come back to Power BI and create a work account. Thank you guys for watching. This is how to create your work email. So let me know in the comment section if it worked for you. Please remember to subscribe and drop your comment. Thank you. I'll see you again.